This is the Motorola Edge 30 Neo smartphone, and today we will show how you can set Opera as your default app for browsing on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the settings. Next, enter the dedicated apps category. In here, go for the default apps section, browser app, and at the following page, simply select Opera by tapping on it. And by doing that, you are essentially making it so that the Opera from now on will be the default app for browsing on this device. That is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself. So let's go ahead and launch it. At the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, then go for settings by clicking on this cog icon. Next, scroll the page down for a little bit and go for the default browser section. Click on next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.